Metabolic syndrome is a combination of 3 or more conditions which increase the risk of heart disease and diabetes. They include central obesity, which means being overweight with an excessive amount of fat or weight concentrated around your middle. High blood pressure, high cholesterol, meaning bad fats like triglycerides and low levels of HDL cholesterol, as well as high blood sugar. Having metabolic syndrome is associated with a higher likelihood of sickness and death. Worldwide, 25% of adults have metabolic syndrome, which is more common in women and as we grow older, so it is a critical health issue. Suppose you have any of these conditions mentioned or at an increased risk of developing any, even in your 20s or 30s. In that case, you should employ measures that can help to prevent the progression of metabolic syndrome. Fortunately, we know now that lifestyle factors can make a big positive difference. The essential tool employed is the Mediterranean diet, one of the healthiest dietary patterns. This diet consists of a high intake of cereals, vegetables and fruits, a moderate intake of fish and alcohol, mainly wine, and a low intake of dairy, meats and sweets. However, one extra component made a big difference among people who had already been on the diet for 12 months. And this is the addition of nuts, specifically walnuts. Walnuts are whole foods that provide additional non-lipid nutrients, including fiber, arginine, and minerals like potassium, calcium, and magnesium. In addition, walnuts are much richer than olive oil in vegetable omega-3 fatty acids. And nuts, not olive oil, contain various nutrients that have been shown to beneficially affect diabetes and heart disease risk factors like insulin resistance and blood pressure and abnormal lipids. Walnuts can also affect inflammation and the activity of the blood vessels. Eating nuts has been associated with protection from cardiovascular disease in many research studies. Nuts have also been associated with feeling full, increased fat burning, fat malabsorption, and reduced fat cells, and so they could reduce inflammation in the body. There are many ways to enjoy eating walnuts, so keep it an essential part of your long-time diet. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye now.